Dear students, in this video, we have covered 66 important GK questions and answers on Indian national flag with explanation to make this video informative for you so that you can get prepared for your competitive examination. However, in this part of video, we have given only 10 questions and other questions are covered in another parts of video. You can get the link of other parts videos in the description box. So let's start. Question 51. The design and manufacturing process of the national flag is regulated by. Your options are A. Parliament of India, B. Flag Foundation of India, C. Khadi Gramodyog India, D. Bureau of Indian Standard. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is D. Bureau of Indian Standard. The Indian government's Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS), which was created in 1987, is an agency responsible for regulating the design and manufacturing process for the national flag. The Bureau of Indian Standards has published 3 documents that govern the design and production procedure for the national flag. Question 52. The sole right to manufacture the national flag of India is held by the. Your options are A. Karnataka Khadi Gramodyog Sanyukt Sangh, B. Maharashtra Organization of Khadi, C. Karnataka Khadi Making Company, D. None of these. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is A. Karnataka Khadi Gramodyog Sanyukt Sangh. Since 2009, the Karnataka Khadi Gramodyog Sanyukt Sangh has been the only organization to manufacture the flag. The Karnataka Khadi Gramodyog Sanyukt Sangh is the only group in India that is allowed to make flags. It was started on November 1, 1957 by a group of Gandhians. The people who work in Hubli pay close attention to every little detail as they sew the tricolor together. The aim of the group is to give more and more jobs to rural youths who are unemployed in the khadi and village industries sectors. Question 53. What does the wheel in the Indian flag stands for? Your options are A. Charkha, B. Law of Dharma, C. Law of Courage, D. All the above. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is B. Law of Dharma. The Ashok Chakra, which is located in the middle of the Indian national flag, represents the law of Dharma. The guiding principle of Chakra is the truth, also known as Dharma. The blue color of the wheel in the middle of the flag is meant to represent progress and development. The color blue is also a representative of the color of the sky and the water. Question 54. Flag Code of India came into effect from. Your options are A. 2002, B. 2021, C. 1947, D. 1950. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is A. 2002. The Flag Code of India was first implemented on January 26, 2002 and afterwards underwent some changes on December 30, 2021. The Flag Code of India is an attempt to compile all of these rules, customs, practices and directions for the purpose of providing guidance and making everyone involved more comfortable. The Flag Code of India 2002 and the Prevention of Insults to National Honor Act 1971 are the 2 pieces of legislation that control how the Indian national flag can be displayed, hoisted and used. Question 55. National Flag Adoption Day is on. Your options are A. 26 January 2002, B. 15 August 1947, C. 22 July 1947, D. 22 July 1948. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is C. 22 July 1947. A meeting of the Constituent Assembly was conducted on the 22nd of July 1947. Just a few days before India declared its independence from the British on the 15th of August 1947. During that meeting, the national flag of India was adopted in its current shape. The celebration of the introduction of the tricolor flag is commemorated on Flag Adoption Day. Question 56. The first stamp of independent India was issued on 21 November 1947 and it depicts. Your options are A. Ashok Chakra, B. Indian flag with Jai Hind, C. Ashok Lion, D. East India Company. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is B. Indian flag with Jai Hind. After years of fighting against imperial rule, India became an independent country on August 15, 1947. At the same time, the first stamp of independent India was issued. On November 21, 1947, India got its first stamp as an independent country. It cost 3.5 annas to purchase it. It shows the Indian flag with the slogan Jai Hind, which means Long Live India, written on the top right corner. The Ashok Lion capital stamp was India's second stamp after it became independent, and it was the country's first stamp for domestic use. It was put out on the market on December 15, 1947 and it cost 1.50 annas. Question 57. Tricolor flag was first accepted by Indian National Congress in. Your options are A. 1942, B. 1947, C. 1935, D. 1931. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is D. 1931. India's flag has been the same since August 1931 when it was officially adopted at the annual meeting of the All India Congress. The colors and arrangement of the strips as well as the picture of a spinning wheel are all from that time. On July 22, 1947, the Indian national flag was hoisted for the first time. It was said that this flag had nothing to do with religion. Question 58. The Indian national flag was unfurled in the International Socialist Conference on 22 August 1907 at Stuttgart, Germany by. Your options are A. Madame Kama, B. Marie Curie, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Annie Besant. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is A. Madame Kama. Bhikaji Kama was a revolutionary who played a pivotal role in India's fight for independence. Stuttgart, which is located in Germany, was the location of a city that was hosting an international socialist conference on August 22, 1907. Bhikaji Rustam Kama is credited as being the one who raised the very first iteration of the Indian national flag during this event. During her speech, in which she advocated for human rights, equality and independence from Great Britain, she raised what she referred to as the flag of Indian independence. When Madam Bhikaji Kama raised the flag of India for the first time in a country outside of India, she made history. Question 59. The Indian flag was hoisted on the highest mountain peak of the world, Mount Everest, on. Your options are A. 21st May 1953, B. 28th May 1953, C. 29th May 1953, D. 15th May 1953. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is C. 29th May 1953. On May 29, 1953, the Indian flag was raised on the top of Mount Everest. It is the mountain peak that holds the record for being the highest mountain peak in the world. Tenzing Norgay was the first person to climb the summit of Mount Everest and raise the Indian national flag there. Question 60. The largest Indian national flag, 293 feet, on the tallest mast was hoisted on 23 January 2016 by Manohar Parrikar in Pahari Mandir at. Your options are A. Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Ranchi, D. Punjab. Your time starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is C. Ranchi. Ranchi is where the world's tallest and biggest tricolor flag was raised by Manohar Parrikar, who was the Minister of Defense. The flag is as Ranchi's Pahari Mandir. It is 66 by 99 feet and is 493 feet above the ground on a 293-foot mast. British people used to call this place the hanging point, but now it's where the world's largest tricolor flag stands. The flag is made up of parachute cloth and has enough clips to keep it from flying away in strong winds. The mast rests on a pedestal with rock anchors that is about 9 feet in diameter. The previous record was set by a tricolor flag that was 96 feet by 64 feet and hung on a 250-foot pole in Faridabad in 2015. On National Defense Day, this flag was shown for the first time. Hope you liked these general knowledge questions. If you really liked them, please like my video, share my video among your friends, and also to subscribe my channel. If you have any query or suggestion, please write them to the comment box. Thank you so much.